morning. By 3 minutes, it's 11:57. Just had us lunch now. Today, we've already put, this is about 1.5, 3, or 4 ton in here, something like that. So, while Tom's shoveling, my back's killing today, I'm in bits today. I'm cutting sleepers for the 50p shape there. I call it, do you want a 50p in it? I always call it that, not, do you want hexagon, do you want this, do you want that, pentagon, hexagon, whatever, I'll just call it 50p. But yeah, we're trying to get in as much as we can into the stone. Got one more sleeper height to go up to, God, I can't do my arm, up to that one. So still got like another 200mm to go on it. So it's going to get this in. I'm going to go for another 1.5 ton. And then we'll chuck the last bits over, whereas now we've got a ramp down here. So, but yeah, and then see what time it is. I don't know. God, I'm just dying today, dying. But yeah, steady away. We want to be done here Friday. Tom says to me, we're done Friday. So I always go Friday tea, and then he's just taught customer Friday dinner. So I don't know. But yeah, super busy at the minute. Just had a few things come through. Quoting last night seemed really positive. Understands what he wants, which is always massive. But you can't count your chickens. But if that job comes in, we're looking for another man. I'm in talks with someone. So if anybody knows anyone, drop me an email. It's all in the bio on the page, wherever it is. If you're interested in a job, self-employed, I look after people, let's put it that way. But yeah, I just can't live like this. I can't be humping and pumping and putting all my efforts out on Tom when I'm frigging injured. So better to get another man in it. But yeah, let's plod on and let's just keep going. See you soon. So this angle here, see my pencil mark, goes off. It's a 50p from the house to the 50p. But we can cut it, because it's the bottom one, we can cut it a fraction that way, and then make sure the top one is proper flush, proper mitered, done right. So it doesn't matter if it does pull off a little bit, you know what I mean? Just fill back up then. So yeah, and the bottom bit, 100mm post on there, because the garden slopes slightly, and rather than digging a trench for a 200mm sleeper, 100mm being put in, I think 20mm of that goes in, so there's no gap underneath. It's like an 80mm gap under sleeper. Little trench, move gravel out of the way, you know what I mean? That'll fit in nice. Think about your gun face all the time. Oh. Nice. That's it down, sorry. Chiller. Quarter to R. Mall is one. Ah, yeah, there was Stanley bottom in that like cut through, bit of them cut through. I know. No, it's alright, go with it. So we're just getting up now to top at sleepers. This needs like an extra 50mm in here, 70mm over here. We're just working his way across. I've literally just got home. So I did that video then, planned on doing a video towards you, telling you what's going on and stuff like that. Customer asking a few questions, Tatty's talking about payment, because obviously I've nearly finished, started talking about that. And then before you knew it, I got a message off of the person that we're quoting in Morley, say, hurry up basically, because we need to go out. So I just had to shoot. I just totally forgot to do the other video. So let's start again. Where the raised area is, we've put the last section in. I think we need another ton. We'll probably get that in the morning. So the first thing in the morning will be ballast concrete mix into behind the sleeper where the steps are, because obviously the Wacker won't get into what we're going to fill, so we're just going to put concrete in there. Concrete inside the steps, and then top up the hardcore, and then Tom will start laying, and then off we go all the way through. But yeah, I've had a bit of a batty day today, really. My back's been in bits, in all honesty. Couldn't be arsed talking. To be fair, everyone has a down day, don't they, sort of thing, an off day. But yeah, I'm just chatting to someone now about a job. I think we need another man. I do. I think think when you're lifting, it knocks the hell out of you. Like, I'm normally the one on the digger. There's normally Tom and whoever, Charlie or Sean, who we had before us two, sorry. They'd be barrowing, so and then I did my bit, but I didn't do it all bloody day, you know what I mean? So then all of a sudden throw myself at it 3 years later when I'm nearly 40-year-old, and I've been doing it 24 years. I last worked out of a day. So yeah, get another man. Look after yourself, G. Tom's ordered me to go back to the gym. I used to go to Ballantine with sauna, swimming pool, really good saunas as well. Jacuzzi, they call it spa. It's got a proper spa thing there, you know what I mean? He's ordered me to go back. Bless him, looking after me, innit? It's not costing him, though, is it? It's costing bloody me. But yeah, it's for my own benefit. So yeah, I'm going to see you all in the morning, and I'm going to go to bed early tonight, and I'm going to relax. So see you tomorrow, 8 o'clock sharp ish. See you soon, guys.